a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
Taking a quick walk through Sosua. Oh, sure. Hi. That's it. All right. My cow, they go like that. Sosua Beach. Sosua. Very nice, as Latin America goes. Show the future generations the beauty of Sosua Beach. Mysterious, beautiful houses on the other side. And up top, a little bit of the vending areas. And me, your wonderful host. Just had to do this for a few days. It's getting crazy in New York, so. Buenos días a todos. I really like this. Jolly Roger Bar. Having a drink with one. That's it. Rock on, girls. To Puerto Plata, and then we'll see what we get when we get there. So now we're down and dirty in the heart of Puerto Plata. So just taking a walk. I feel a little safety comfort zone because there's not many people out. Everybody's at church today. So we're walking, or I'm walking, from the bus station to my dear friend Fanny, who is at the Parque Central. You get the idea. It's kind of, yeah, it's impoverished, but it's not really a horrible, dangerous place. So it's good. No, it's okay. We're just doing the street, not you. And, all right, so we'll check in with you guys later. All right, so before my friend comes out of church, just a little video of the Parque Central. Since everyone seems kind of touchy about being on video, I'm going to try to avoid any close-ups of people or anything like that. But it's It's a very well designed public square. And the crowd should be letting out of church soon. So.
The 3 kilometers length.
Okay, and this is the Malecon.
Yep.
Okay. La Playas de Puerto Plata. I'm very impressed so far. My friend thought like Malecon was a bad word, like.
No, about Mari, no Male.
I know exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah, I told him now. You're off by one letter. Okay. Go to the front. Right in the strip. Very impressed with the scenery at Puerto Plata, the waterfront. That's the San Felipe Fort. That's one of the war generals. I forgot the name. That's my lovely friend Fanny and her son Pablo. And then we have the theater. And what appears to be, the viewing tower. So, one of the nicest parts of the Dominican Republic. This is the end of the line. Very typical Puerto Plata. It's a rather wealthy area over there, but it's all ocean from here on in. And that's the start. Video real quick. Walking through the village. At the top of the hill.
I'll take a picture for you.
Just doing a picture of me.
Oh, thank you.
While I'm waiting for Fanny, I just did the other trip up the mountain. Now while I'm waiting for Fanny, I'm just hanging out here by the beach. So it's kind of cool, you know, very natural. It's not garbage, by the way. That's all seashell. Well, no, I stand corrected. There's some garbage there, but a lot of it is seashells too. And in back of me, there's can't really see it, but there's some guys selling fish over there. But I am going to go across the street there and have some food as I wait for Fanny to return. And you can see in back of me there's some nice, it's kind of nice on this trip. right at the beach. Brief piece of a nice part of Sosua here. I don't know what this area is called. It's Sosua, but it's on the perimeter, and there seems to be some nice rentals here. Much less noisy. Because there's also an immigration attorney here, and some more nice rentals in the back. Just wanted to sort of remember what I see every time I step out the hotel here in Sosua. That's looking to the main road. That's our hotel here. And you turn around, and that's the strip. You can see some other places in the distance there, like a pizza place and a big open air restaurant in the corner. So unfortunately a little bit of rainy tonight, but it's been good most of the time, and just missed some lightning, and we've had just rain every other evening, so we're going local tonight.